What's up, my Mopar fam? It's 16 Scatty with another episode for Sig Mods. I'm gonna show you guys. I have this Tazer from Zautomotive. I'll show you guys how to install it real quick. Maybe I'll show you some features. If not, I'll make another video showing the features. These are the buttons that'll go here, auxiliary buttons. Since I don't have like the front sensor for the car, these will make it clickable where I can install certain features for each button that I program with the Tazer. And I'll show you guys some of the stuff here. This is the Tazer right here. This is I guess to update it maybe. Bypass. Comes with everything. So I'm gonna show you how to install it real quick and unlock some features. So we're gonna remove the trunk liner. This whole thing's gonna come off. In order to do that, we have to remove the Velcro ones that are stuck to the back. So we have to go around to the back seat, put the back seats down, and go from there. So we put the back seats down. That's one. Get the other one. Two. Show you just these off. These off. And now the whole trunk liner is gonna come right off. Okay, now we remove the whole trunk right off. Now that we take off the trunk liner, we have to remove this one, and that's it, just this one. Let's try it right now. Go ahead and take this off. Alright, now that we have that off, we can pull this up and need access. Need to access this box right here. Let's make sure we get our stuff out the way. Now this thing has 4 clips. One here, one here. Here. And this one here. So I have to take them off and go from there. So now we have the bypass. The bypass is required for any, I think it's 2016 and up or 2018 and up. Separate wire. And these are the ones that we're gonna plug in. So they're already color coordinated. The green one's gonna go obviously where the green ones are here on an empty slot, and then the white one is gonna go right here on this side. Once we get that going, let's see. There we go. You're gonna hear it click in place. And then we do the same thing for the green one. There you go. Click into place. Feed your wire. And that's it, we're done with this. You can close it back up. There we go. Okay, now we put everything, place the pin back in there. There we go. Now we go to the battery area. So now that we have that there, we're supposed to plug this one into the fuse, I believe. Alright, so we have to locate fuse 37, which is the radio. It'll be this one, which will be, it's this one. Plug it into this one. Clamp it. Then you have to plug in your ground to make sure your ground doesn't touch anything else, to here. So we're gonna loosen it up a bit. Okay, so we use a 10mm wrench to loosen it up. Loosen up the bolt here for the ground. We're gonna plug in that one in there. So you just want to loosen it up enough to get it in there. Once it's in there, you can go ahead and tighten it up. Okay, there we go. Alright, so you want to run your wire down the middle, exit out this way, that way you can get it to come out on that exit. That's the idea. There we go. I recommend you guys get some Velcro tape so you can stick some on the side. That way you can stick this anywhere you want, so it's not just hanging around like this. Okay, once we have everything plugged in, run the wire here out here. I left this one out behind the battery. Push this one in here, and then I stuck this one here with the Velcro tape. Now we got left is to plug it in. There we go. Okay, now we're gonna switch out the buttons here. Should come out pretty easy. Okay. Maybe not as easy as I thought. Let me see, I need some wiggle room. Oh, there it is. How does that sound go? Oh, there it is. Alright, now we have the buttons ready. And I believe we're gonna go like that. Now the button's going easy, so if you don't feel like it's going in, move them around like I was putting it right now. Notice it was going upside down. That's why it wasn't going in. Like that one. So we flip it around. So easy. And now we program them. Okay, so we turn on the car, we put it on run without turning on the engine. And we're we're gonna scroll down to the radio. That's that one. So then we press the left arrow and the cancel button to get that started. And there we go. I think we're supposed to marry the car first. Then we press the cruise control speed button on, off button. That's okay. You see it's marrying the car. There we go. Now we keep scrolling. Do a full reboot. And we'll be back once it starts. Now we turn off the car, and you're supposed to do 2 sleep cycles. So turn it off, exit the car, wait about a minute, make sure you take your key fob with you, and then come back and place it on run again. And I believe you're gonna do that twice, and that should be it. Alrighty guys, so that concludes the install video for the Tazer for Zautomotive. This is one of the features that it unlocked for my car. I have a 2018 Charger Scatpack that didn't come with these features here. So that's one of them that it unlocked. And I'll show you guys in another video all the features and how to install this and save it. There's a process to saving all of this. So I'll show you guys all that in another video soon. If you guys like the video, go ahead and give it a like, subscribe, share it, tell your friends. If you guys have any questions with your install, hit me up on Instagram at 16scatty. I'll put all of that in the info below. And until next one, peace.